Hi, this is Lars Letnoff, CEO of Guardare, with a quick walkthrough of the Guardare platform. This is the main dashboard, and when you look at the dashboard, one thing you'll notice, everything is color-coded from green to red with level of risk with different shades in between, so everywhere you'll go, you'll see these variations of colors based on risk. The first graph here is just a quick over time number of issues resolved and risk score as well. And you'll have your top three. These are the top three most risky things that we found, that Guardare has found. Then you have a quick 30,000 foot view of each of the dashboards. We look at users, devices, and software. And then in each of those, you'll see all the users on a heat map with their different levels of risk. Same thing with devices dashboard, and again, color-coded by risk. And then lastly, software. For each of these different dashboards, you're going to see the top three recommendations for those. Those are the top three things that we found for each of those. If we drill in, here, what you're going to see are all the integrations. If you have a green check mark for the different integration, that means that integration's fully hooked up and functioning, and it's given valid recommendations based on those products. We go up. If we drill specifically into users, again, we'll get that heat map. This is for the entire company of users and their different risk levels broken down by different departments. And these are all of the different things that we found that are issues within that. And if we want to drill in specifically into, say, finance, accounting, and then this particular user, very high risk, that's frats. What you'll see over to the right is for frats. He is behind on his training. He has very high level software access. He's got some problems with simulated phishings. He's failed a bunch of phishing tests, and he does have a bad incident history. So this guy is super high risk. If we go in and look at this, he has all the recommendations for him. If we specifically click into one of these, specifically it'll give the issue detected. So this user has a high fish prone score and repeatedly fails phishing simulations. Recommendation is to enroll high-risk user in targeted phishing awareness training. And then if we click into that, we're going to give very specific step-by-step, paint-by-numbers, very easy to follow recommendations on exactly how you would remediate that problem. And these are given in such a way that your lowest level IT admin can fully just follow these steps, step by step, and remediate those. We also cross-reference this to MITRE, so here's the specific control group in MITRE that this would affect, and then NIST as well with this particular company. We also have training summary, their fish score summary, incident summary, etc. If, say, this person that's managing this does not also manage their security awareness training, you can click assigned and then literally assign that to someone else. This has already been assigned, but if we click into that, it's been assigned, and then that particular person, Bob, he's the one that's going to handle it. When he handles that, well, you'll get a Slack message or an email back saying that particular recommendation has been assigned and done. Same thing for devices. If we look at devices, exact same setup. We have the spider graph. We have all the different things that we found. If you highlight over particular devices, it's going to give you very specific information on each device and a specific risk score for that device. And again, looking into this is desktop Windows 11, This is the specific model, the Elite Desk 800 G6, and it's running Windows 11. Same exact thing for software. If we look into these, you got the same color-coded recommendations. You have multiple versions of the same software installed across the different systems. Drill into that, and again, very specific recommendations on how to remediate those. We also have the MITRE information. It ties back to the specific controls. And then lastly, we're very tied into we're tied into the different security frameworks. In this case, this company uses MITRE and Nest. So if we click into Nest, you'll get Nest. It's alerted. You can go in and fix these. These are the control categories, the specific controls, and what Priority Guard is suggesting on that. That's pretty much a quick view of the product, and on the whole, the product's basically going to have your back. It's going to find all the things that might be missed, and again, give very remedial, step-by-step, paint-by-number recommendations on how to fix them.